Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your battery dropping fast while playing Free Fire, losing a huge chunk in a single match session? Here's how to slow it down. First, go to your settings app, then scroll down to display and brightness. Tap on it and lower your screen's brightness since Free Fire's bright map lighting and full screen effects made display brightness one of the biggest battery drains during play. Next, go to settings again, then go to general, then scroll down to background app refresh and refresh it or turn it off for the apps you're not using since Free Fire's rendering engine already uses heavy processing power and background apps compete for the same battery resources. So close every other app in your recent app list before starting a match. Lower Free Fire's in-app graphics to smooth rather than high if battery drain is severe, since higher graphics settings directly increase power drain. Finally, go to settings and check the battery in battery health to see if your battery capacity has degraded since older batteries drain faster under graphics heavy load. So all you've got to do is lower brightness, turn off background app refresh, close background apps and check battery health. Free Fire drains less and that's it. Subscribe.